In primetime news this evening, court hears more recordings of plans and accusations among alleged Wandon gang members. Cop makes breakthrough in case against suspects in St. Elizabeth Chinese couple murder. And opposition calls for heads to roll in FLA controversy.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and your weather reports and forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what's your take on the ongoing saga at the Firearm Licensing Authority? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.